sorry for the delay. You can hear in the background, Allez les Bleus. This is France against the Netherlands in the under 21 women category in Group WR. Earlier today you saw a game between Spain and the Netherlands. Netherlands lost with 3-2. So they are extra motivated to do good here and win. The top 2 continues from this pool to the semi-finals. So both teams are very eager to win. Very important match. France starting in ball possession. Netherlands 1-3-1 defense. France trying to surprise the Netherlands with a long shot, but it goes over the goal. You can hear the Dutch supporters are also here supporting their team, shouting Holland. And now the French supporters giving an answer to that. The Netherlands, while trying to reach the defense of France, making a foul ball for France again. No goalie yet, but France is not quick enough to take advantage of this situation. Megan Lottering returning to her goal. France, 1 woman in the zone. 4 around it is star attack. Starting kayaking all together, going from right to left. A shot over again. Ball for the Netherlands. Earlier we saw the teams exchanging gifts. The Netherlands were giving orange scrunchies to the France, and France gave a small flag back. It's a nice tradition, wishing each other good luck. Here we see the Netherlands attacking, 2 men in the zone, 2 women in the zone trying to make some space. Now a pass to Netherlands player, but a little fumble there, not managing to receive the ball very well. Spain taking advantage of this situation. Sorry, I said Spain, I mean France obviously. France in ball possession. France taking their time to set up an attack, forming a wide circle around the Dutch defense. Now coming in, but not with a lot of speed. And another very good pass, immediately intercepted by Berghout. Her team was not calculating on that, and it takes some time for them to join her. A bad pass and ball possession back with France. Still 0-0, first 4 minutes up. France taking their time for attack, as we have seen before. 30 seconds left on the shot clock. Now seeing an opening, floating into the Dutch defense, but not getting enough room, taking the ball out, trying to keep it safe. But it also means only 10 seconds left on the shot clock. So the Dutch goalie has to be prepared for a shot, and she is! Megan Lottering blocking the ball, but giving a pass under pressure, resulting in French hands again. The refs are signaling number 3 of the Netherlands made a foul, and next one might result in a green card. Netherlands retrieves the ball. Now the Dutch supporters trying to support them in a good attack now. France taking their time to return, maybe thinking about a little bit more pressure in the attack. I couldn't see what happened there, but a foul has been made by the Netherlands. Ball for France. So, the Netherlands trying to slow down the France attack and giving the rest of the team time to return to their defense. France sending 2 women in the zone, something we haven't seen so far yet. Now starting all together on the left, a shot. Oh, nicely done by number 3 of France, Bonamy. Now the Netherlands trying to get back to France with a long shot, but didn't make the goal. Ball for France. You can see that again, France really takes their time. It also doesn't seem like the shot clock is running. Maybe I missed something. Timeout. The refs are seeing it now as well.
45 seconds. 45 seconds.
And they're saying 45 seconds. That's where we start again. So France maybe thought they could take their time, but luckily the refs saw it too, setting the shot clock back to 45 seconds. The Dutch coach is saying keep it tight, not letting the French woman in. Now finally the attack of the French, only 25 seconds left on the clock. Netherlands trying to keep it tight, not letting anyone in. 15 seconds left on the clock. On the goal, Witteveen. She needs to be aware that there will be a long shot coming. And she seems to be aware, stretching herself out totally just enough, blocking the shot from the France. Now going for the ball, making a foul in during that. Now the rest of the players trying to fill up the goal. Little confusion about who's doing it. Deciding on Huizinga. France again taking their time. And now the goalie Witteveen on top of the defense. Now trying to work her way a little bit back, maybe making it possible to have a switch of goalie. They are doing that now. That's a dangerous situation if France sees that they can take advantage of that. But they try to work to a good attack. Maybe missing opportunity there. But a corner for France. And Witteveen back on the goal. The Dutch coach doesn't seem to agree. But the refs confirm it's really a corner. France again taking their time. They're 1 point ahead, they're not in a hurry. And the Netherlands working in their defense. The 2 French women in. Now a good shot, hitting the sidebar, bouncing back into the game in French hands. Working hard in the defense. Working hard in the defense for my Kuipers, Huizinga, for Manon. On the goal, Witteveen totally stretching out. France passing multiple times in the zone. And a goal by number 6. Jarosevetsky. Well done, France. France 2. Netherlands 0. There was a lot of passing around in the Dutch defense there. Something you really want to try to prevent, and maybe Netherlands giving there a little bit opportunity to do so. Now they really need to start working hard. It would be nice if they can finish with a goal. Only 20 seconds left on the clock. A little bit eager for Manoy, taking a shot, resulting in a corner. 10 seconds left. It would be nice if they can go into the break with a goal, ending with a good feeling. A shot from Lothering, blocked by the goalie. This is the end. We're now into a break. Stay with us. France 2, Netherlands 0. Hi and welcome back. We're in a break. 2 for an under-21s women's game. 2 for France, 0 for the Netherlands. I want to take this time to thank our main sponsors: International Canoe Federation, China Canoe Association, Huzhou City, Deqing County, Yupin Sports, Yuko Kong Group, Letu Sports, and Kailas. We just saw the teams huddling up. I can imagine that the French coach says, keep this going. On the Netherlands side, we saw the coach saying, just keep it safe, our chances will come, don't doubt yourself, be safe, be confident. You can hear in the background the supporters. I will go with you through the players list. For the Netherlands, number 1, Vormanoy, number 2, Witteveen, number 3, Huizinga, number 4, Berghout, number 5, Manders, number 6, Lothering, number 7, Kuipers, number 8, Huizinga. France easily getting the ball here. And for France, number 1, Albalar, number 2, Cousin, number 3, Bonamy, number 4, Richard, number 5, Guillaumarche, number 6, Jarosvetsky, number 7, Meroeren. We hear the Netherlands coach say, keep it tight, don't let them in. We see one woman in the Dutch defense, one French woman working hard. She's mainly now trying to pedal backwards, trying to not hit the keeper, but she doesn't seem to have a lot of trouble to stay in a spot. On the right side, Huzhou struggling a little bit, leaving a little bit of space. And a shot from number 4 from France, Richard. Making goal number 3 for France, 0 for the Netherlands. Netherlands now really with a lot of pressure. They have to go. They want to end in the top 3 of this group. The top 2 are going for semi-finals, and the third in this group will fight for 5th place. Last year in the European Championships they became first, so they really want to have a medal again. 2 Dutch players in the French defense. First trying on the left, not with a lot of speed, not very threatening. Now trying on the right for Manoy. Back to Manders. Trying to keep it safe. Oh, also only 20 seconds left on the shot clock. They really have to go now in. Ooh, a little bit of fumbling of the ball there, not having a lot of time left. Manders seen it as well, taking the shot. A corner, very good to get out of this. Having time to set up a new attack, not losing the ball. Now, with a lot of pressure in the defense. Huizinga and Huizinga. Making space. Come in, Manders taking the shot again. Blocked by a French player. Corner again. A little bit, not a very good pass there. So Manders was under a little bit of pressure from France, who tried to take advantage of this situation, but she managed to pass it to one of her teammates, keeping it safe. Now, on the left, taking the shot, good attempt. Unfortunately, a little bit too high ball for France. Foul made by the Netherlands. Ball still for France. They're deciding not to return to their 1-3-1 defense, but instead of that putting pressure on France, going 5 out. They kind of have to because they're 3 goals behind. They got the ball, but a pass was blocked. Ball back for France. One of the Dutch players, France has a little bit of space, but now the Netherlands are getting back, finding their woman. Woman against woman. Toe against toe. Oh, a foul made by Lotgerink. Ball for France. Number 5 getting away, number 6 getting away. Huizinga has to work really hard. Doesn't manage, unfortunately. A goal for Jaracki. 4 for France, 0 for the Netherlands. But the Netherlands can't give up. They still have 5 minutes left, and they need to fight their way back into this game. Ooh, Witteveen trying to take the shot, but being hit by the pedal of a French defender. The refs are signaling to each other. Next time when the French player will do this, might result in a card. Netherlands relatively close on the defense from the French side, not being able to make a lot of speed. Now a bad pass, and immediately the French number 7, Merouane, going off on her own, trying to apply pressure. They're now past her. Ooh, a little bit of miscommunication there, trying to pass while number 7 from the Netherlands, Kuipers, was trying to go in. A high pass. Huizinga drifting in, trying to take the shot, but easily blocked by the goalkeeper of France, Bonamy. A corner. Four minutes left on the clock. On the left, Witteveen. Back to Manders. Oh, sorry, Berghout. Again, number 7, Merouane sees opportunity to apply pressure, but making a foul doing so. They are signaling to each other again that she needs to be careful. But this was her second foul, resulting in a green card. This is positive news for the Netherlands. They are now 5 against 4. So if this is the opportunity to make at least one goal, the French players will be down with one woman for 2 minutes, unless the Netherlands scores. Then, due to power play, an extra player could come back in. Netherlands not coming in with a lot of speed, but a good pass to number 8, Huizinga, scoring for the Netherlands. 4 for France, 1 for the Netherlands. That must be a good feeling. Hopefully they can continue this. Unfortunately, France is back with 5 against 5. The Netherlands can't wait. They need to get that ball back to score more. A lot of pressure, 5 against 5. Nice tap from Huizinga. Losing her woman in that process, unfortunately, but quickly filled up by her teammates. Good teamwork there. Working hard for Manoy, trying to push the ball out. A lot of pressure on the French players. France is trying to. They don't need to score. They can take it relatively slow, and the Netherlands is trying to push them really onto their half. Amazing work. Now for Manoy, pressure on the ball, trying to. You see the ref counting down. The French player needs to pass. Time is up. She holds the ball for longer than 5 seconds. That's not allowed. Ball from the Netherlands. Great work for Manoy. This is her chance to make one more goal. Taking the shot. Kuipers. A corner. Netherlands starting from the corner. Passing around. A little bit of pressure from the French. Trying to get the ball into the zone. Foul has been made. I think a good timing. Wasn't sure if Huizinga managed to control the ball. Netherlands again. Trying to get the ball in. Formano was turned around there, so trying to keep the ball safe. Passing it out the zone. A shot from Berghout. A corner for the Netherlands. Once more. Only 1 minute 15 left on the clock for this game. It would be good for the Netherlands if they can close this off with one more goal, just for a good feeling. A pass to the middle of the zone. Nice shot from Huizinga. Great work. 4 for France, 2 for the Netherlands. Only 50 seconds left on the clock. This is a great end of the second half. 50 more seconds. Netherlands continuing 5 out. Man pressure. A little bit of miscommunication with the Netherlands. Number 7 of France is free, but by the time she receives the ball, already again under pressure. Ooh, Formanoy letting her woman go away. And France taking advantage of this situation. A goal by Abelard. 5 for France, 2 for the Netherlands. 29 seconds left on the clock. Will the Netherlands manage to score one more time? We hear in the background French supporters celebrating. But the Netherlands still works hard, wanting to make one more goal. Now a shot taken by Kuipers, hitting the top bar, ball back in France's hands, throwing it behind the line, a corner for the Netherlands. Because there are only a few seconds left on the clock, they're not managing to take the corner before the time is over. Ending this game in 5-2 for France. A lot of emotions for the Netherlands. This means that they're currently last in their group, meaning no position.